There was a thing called app clips. This is like a micro app. I think he said it has to be under 10 megabytes or something. It allows you to tap or take a photo, use your camera, or tap a little icon in stores, point of sale type scenarios. They even showcased an example with a bicycle that you can rent. And this, instead of forcing you to download an app to pay for the thing which you're about to interact with, it could launch this micro app, almost like a notification, that would then take you to this lightweight version of the app that you could then use Apple Pay to execute the task without the need to go to the App Store, download the full app, do the sign in, and the whole deal. And the key with this app clip situation is speed. This app clip proposal. It's all about speed, because in these types of environments, you want to do something fast. And particularly in real life, if you're in a lineup, because they kept showcasing it at the front of a cash register. If you're in a lineup, you quickly want to, you know how they're always telling you, well, download the app. You're going to get points. You're going to get a free whatever. Download the app. Well, a lot of people, they don't want to download the app. Stop telling me I can download all these apps. Plus, there's a guy behind me right here. He's breathing down my neck, and we know how that goes right now. We know how that goes right now.
Yeah, you're in a tough spot.
So you get the app clip instead. You save the day. You're in, you're out. Starts with an app clip. So they got that feature trying to encourage developers. You got to remember with these conferences, whether they're in person or online, there's the piece that they're talking to the public with, but there's also the piece they're talking to developers with. Because ultimately it is a developers conference, and it's become more consumer facing in recent years. This one was very consumer facing. I'm not a developer. I mean, I'm in this space, but you saw it was kind of like a giant Apple commercial, really. But they're trying to get developers hyped about these types of things, because if it gets adopted widely, they now have a new in. They want people signing in with Apple. They want to deepen the grip, as I suggested earlier, as you would if you were them.